Hi, can you hear me? Good day, guys. Sorry, my network was kind of lost on, but can you hear me, guys? If you hear me, please kindly like comment indicate so that I'll be sure you can hear me. So let's get started. Yes, sir. Yeah, can you hear me? Can you hear me? If you can hear me, please like comment. Let me be sure you can hear me. Okay, so I'm trying to share the live stream so that every other person can know that I've started. Okay, so that's what I'm trying to do now. But I want to get to it inside. Okay, yeah. So you can share the. You can also share it. When you see the link on the Telegram community or wherever you're watching from, or rather wherever you saw the notification from, you can also reshare it. So please, let's get very active. Okay. Okay. Yeah. So I just uh, I just shared the link, so you can do that too. Okay. You can do that also. So today we're going to start with like we're going to look at the market, and like I said, there are some there are some very key there's some very key important information I'm going to share here, right? It's very key. You know, first of all, uh, some of us got hit out by the market because of the dump, right? And the previous live videos I also shared that we should be expecting some retracement, but um, personally, I didn't even know the retracement was going to be that bad, especially on altcoins. You understand? But then it has happened. It has happened. So you have to now, you know, move move forward. And this moving forward is meaning that we have to test our losses for those of us that lost some money, then then pick up and then move forward. So yeah. So please, I want to be sure you can still hear me, right? Can you still hear me? Please, can you still hear me? Please, how many people are active with me? I need to be sure. I don't know. Since network is kind of. I don't know if it's network on my end or. Oh, you can hear me. Okay. So I'm sharing my screen. Can you see my screen? Can you see my screen, please? Okay. So this is BTC dominance. And where it's disappointing is that BTC dominance keeps breaking resistance. So, um, so at this point here, at this rate, it hits here resistance to hold. But what it did is that it broke this resistance. And I'm not even gonna lie, BTC dominance, from BTC dominance to be breaking resistance like this on the weekly, we're in big problem because let me analyze this stuff and show you one. So what BTC dominance just did now is it has broken this resistance now, and this place is now a new support. Now this is very, very, very bad. This is very bad for us. Very bad. Why I say it's very bad is because of if BTC dominance keeps investing in Bitcoin, a lot of people are more interested you know, that is just what it literally means. When BTC dominance keeps going up, it means that a lot of people are interested in. Let me block this one. Yeah. Let me reshare my screen again. Sorry, somebody was trying to distract me. I've blocked the person myself. Okay, yeah, you can see my screen now, right? Can you see my screen now? Can you see my screen now? Okay, okay, good. So now I was saying something. I said if BTC dominance is still breaking more resistances about Bitcoin dominance, I just pray that it starts. Just pray that it starts retracing and starts dumping. Okay, so but I am very very curious about a particular coin. And I, I put it out in writing. So this will be the first time. Meanwhile, this was our ETH trade. It hit our SL though. But though no, most of us don't put SL on ETH trade. It hit our SL, right? Yeah, but thank God, most of us don't put stop loss on our ETH on our spot trade. So yeah. Anyways, there's something I want to show. I wrote about that stuff, and I want us to do it together live. So I don't want to use this chat. Let me use the Binance chat because Binance has more. Yeah, Binance has more data. Okay. So this is big. This is let me be sure you guys can see my screen. So this is ETH on the weekly time frame. Please, can you see it? Can you see the screen? ETH on the daily time frame, on the weekly time frame. Sorry. Okay. So this is ETH on the weekly time frame, right? Now there's something I want to show you. There's something we're going to do together. I want us to do it together. So this particular candle, I marked it out on one of my analysis. Now, this particular candle is called a hammer candle. That is the red candle. That is last week's candle, which is this one before the green one. It's called a hammer candle, right? And I want us to do this together because I don't think this has been said anywhere in the crypto space. So um, probably we're doing it. Um, this is happening for the first time in the world, right? Yeah, Tanya, welcome here from Honduras. Welcome here. So this is the first time that probably this is happening live or somebody's talking about this, right? Live. I said it. I posted it on the community. We are doing it. I want us to do it together live. Now, me, I'm a fan of studying. Now, if you look at this hammer candle, you look at it. Let us measure it. So this for 1.5. I want us to do it together. 27.15. Top to the bottom. right? Now let us see the places that we saw hammer candles, ETH. Now, the next hammer candle I can see from all of this, the next hammer candle I can see from all of this is this one. This is it, this one here. And if you measure it from the top to the bottom, this is 20, about 22. 22. Now, if you look at this chart, you will not see any other one as big as these two. If you look at the chart, you will not see any other hammer candle as big as these two. I can see a hammer here. This particular one, also, this one here. So from the top, you measure it down. This about 20. Well, I want to be sure you guys are following. Yeah, Tanya, the third time. Yeah, welcome. Thank you. So, so according to this history, right? Like we just saw in the chat now, this particular hammer candle that formed here, this particular hammer candle that formed here is the biggest ever that has ever formed in the history of ETH, according to this IBIT brother Bernard's chart on ETH, according to it. Now, there's something again I want you to check on this hammer, right? After this particular hammer, there was some consolidating area here before we had a big push up from this hammer. Before we had the push up, we had this push up. Now, in the history of ETH, let me take, in the history of ETH, this is the biggest hammer that I've ever shown. Hammer simply means, please, guys, can you hear me? I need to be sure you guys can hear me. Let it not be I'm talking to myself since. Can you hear me? So if you can hear me, kindly comment, okay? Kindly comment, please. This information is I need to be sure everybody's following. So please, if you're following, kindly comment, please. Guys, are you following? I need to see comment, please. Okay, yeah, I needed to be sure you guys can hear me. I don't know. Probably the network is kind of slow or something. You know? And you can see my charts, right? Can you see my charts also? Okay, so now since this hammer simply shows, most times hammer shows rejection. Okay, sellers are trying around here. Look at this hammer. It pushed it up to this point. It cost. So let's measure from the hammer. Let's measure from this side to be fair. Or let's measure from the liquidity tap. Where they tap the liquidity from? It costs a 96% pump. 96% pump. You can see it. 96% pump on ETH. Right? Same thing has happened here also. There's now a big, but this time around is the biggest. Is the biggest ever hammer that I've ever shown on ETH. Now, for it to For it to get 98, we have to get at 4,700 and the same 98 from that point. We have to the price has to then be at ETH has to get to about 4,200. I mean to say, right? But me now I'm saying from what I can see on the chart, right? ETH. I've said this before, so no need to repeat myself again. ETH should be 100 from this point, and ETH moving that way. ETH moving that way is ETH moving that the is going to trigger the bull. Moses said we have only 7 streamers online. That's sad. It's not sad. People are busy with their life. 100 and something people here, and so people are busy, and not everybody can attend a live stream on a short notice. This was a short notice, right? So not everybody can attend. So so no go reason that too much. Yeah. So so that is it for ETH. Okay. So yeah. So in all, what I'm trying to say is that please do not sell your bags. I know some of our bags are in deeps and all of that. Please do not sell your bags. All right. Then also um there's something else I'm gonna say before I take off, because I didn't even plan to stay for long on this stream. So that is copy trading. So if you want to join our copy trading, we're going to be taking just Bitcoin trades on the copy trading. Okay, I put it out there. So yeah, so please make sure you join. That is for those of you that are interested. We're just accepting 50 people on the copy trading, so you can join the copy trading on Bybit with us. So yeah, the post is all over on our socials, so you can see you see the way what to do to join us. Okay, yeah. So thank you for joining the live stream. Please, I will do better to I'll do better to be giving you guys like at least good notice before we live stream, so that probably at a better time. I think around this time a lot of people are closing from work and going back home. Okay, me, I'm not a 9 to 5 guy, so but then from now on I'll start considering 9 to 5. So maybe around that kind of, let's say 10 a.m. 12 p.m. we'll be doing our live stream. Okay, so thank you guys. God bless you. Thank you.